Period. Welcome back. We getting some fruits. We need some oranges. We got some pineapples. We got a majority of the fruits in the crib already, but I'm just gonna pick up some strawberries and stuff. You feel me? But you know, I don't know. Do I need those? Because in all reality, I really want some kiwi. Anyways, guys, we're gonna turn on the fire, get the pan ready, get your hot water, get whatever you need, because today I'm gonna show you one of the ways I make it, or when I'm bored and want to be creative, period, because we're all creative in here. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to start, you know, squishing it, crunching it up, you feel me? Break it up into little pieces. Everything is pretty much, you know, self-explanatory, but if you guys are new here, welcome into Bookie 3000 Nation. Hit that like and drop a subscribe. That didn't even make any sense. You should definitely subscribe, join the gang, but drop a comment to let me know how you guys make it, or if you guys want to see more videos like this, and you can stay tuned and you don't miss a video. That's just on, period. But we already doing, you know, the basics, putting it into the water, you know, and there's many ways that I make ramen noodles. This just isn't like the only way I do it, but it was definitely one to record, you feel me? Because it definitely smacked. Definitely tastes good. Get your onions and stuff like that, you feel me? The aromas in the house and crib, you feel me? It was making people want some, so it's kind of just like, gotta make more, gotta make a little bigger batch, okay? You know, it's important to not just think about yourself. But yes, indeed, that's what we're doing right now. We're adding more to the pot, and we're just gonna re-put in all the same things that we put in that pertains to the package, like the ingredients and all that good stuff, you feel me? It's a lot of ingredients we finna put on here. It's not salty. I don't know if it looked like it is because there's a lot of ingredients, but it definitely wasn't. Just gonna let that be known. It's very balanced. It's just really good, and I would suggest somebody try it. And if you do, drop it in the comments, let me know how you did it, because we don't work with measurements over here. We do what we think and look, it's great. All right, that's just on, period. So we're gonna put them onions in there. We're gonna put some butter in there as soon as they get off the spoon, you feel me? And then we're gonna add some broccoli, and we're gonna also add some chicken, you feel me? Because you already know, gotta have some of the protein and some vegetables in there, you know, some real ones. If you guys know what this is, you know what it is, you feel me, period. But if you don't, drop that comment down below to let me know if you guys know what that is, or like, what do you call it, because it goes by many things, you know? But yeah, what we're gonna be doing next is adding some hot sauce in there after we put the chicken and broccoli in. You don't want to be too spicy, you feel me? Because the way it goes in is the same way it's gonna be coming out. I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. And you're gonna put some garlic in there. Like I said before, I know what you're about to see me put in there, but like I said, we don't want it too spicy, so it ain't gonna be too spicy, but it's gonna be a hint of that pepper. So we're gonna add some red pepper, you feel me? We're gonna add some red pepper in there. I feel like this is a really good soup to make, especially in the wintertime, or when it's cold or chilly, or if somebody is, you know, probably sick or something like that. You can make it a little bit more spicier. But like I said before, nobody's sick. We making it to, you know, our taste buds, our liking, and to, you know, it being perfectly great, because it don't take that long to make, and 5 minutes later it be looking just like that, and it be ready to go, period. So it's just like, even though you don't have to use 3 packs, you don't have to use that many, you can actually use 1 or, well, 2. It all depends on how many people you're feeding, you feel me, or how many people are going to want to eat, or you're sharing it with. But I'm gonna be honest with you, the little experiment that I did definitely put some, like, I put much more water in 1 pack, and it actually came out to be like 2 packs. So I guess it just depends on the amount of water you put in there. But we're gonna add a chicken sandwich to the meal, to the snack, to whatever you want to call it, Bookie. It's definitely fulfilling. All right, I'm gonna just say that, make it come back from more. All right, so yeah, we finna eat, period. And we're gonna finish this video off with cleaning and washing the dishes. Bye, guys.